To properly lubricate a snowblower auger, start by ensuring the machine is completely safe to work on. Welcome to WholeToolBox. Before reaching into the housing, always disconnect the spark plug wire and tuck it away to prevent any accidental starts. You will primarily need a 1-2-inch wrench or socket for the shear pins and a flathead screwdriver to access the gearbox. Begin by inspecting the central auger gearbox. Most models feature a plastic plug on the front or side of the gear housing. Over time, the internal double O grease can migrate to the side panels, leaving the gears dry and prone to wear. Pull the plug out and check the level. If the gears look dry, you can use a white lithium grease spray with a straw to reach deep into the housing. For a long-term fix, top it off with actual double O grease, leaving about a half-inch of breathing room at the top to prevent pressure buildup. The most critical step in preventing a seized machine is lubricating the actual auger shafts. To do this correctly, you must remove the shear pins entirely. If the pins are left in, grease cannot reach the space between the hollow auger tube and the solid internal drive shaft. Once the pins are out, the auger flights should spin freely on the shaft. If they are stuck, they are already seizing and require immediate attention. With the pins removed, spray a high-quality lubricant directly into the shear pin holes. Manually rotate the auger flights 360 degrees several times to ensure the fluid is distributed evenly across the entire length of the shaft. This prevents the metal components from rusting together over the winter. Finally, realign the holes, reinstall the shear pins, and reconnect the spark plug. For trusted snowblower replacement parts and maintenance essentials, visit WholeToolBox.com. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.